Early missions, 1960s, 1970s. Mariner program. NASA's Mariner missions were the first to conduct flybys of Mars. Mariner 4 made the first successful flyby in 1965, capturing the first close-up images of the Martian surface. Viking program. Viking 1 and Viking 2 were the first spacecraft to land on Mars in 1976. They conducted comprehensive studies of the Martian surface, atmosphere, and searched for signs of life. The 1990s-2000s, Mars Pathfinder. In 1997, NASA's Mars Pathfinder landed successfully and deployed the Sojourner rover, the first rover to operate on Mars, conducting soil and atmospheric studies. Mars Global Surveyor. Launched in 1996, this orbiter mapped Mars in great detail, studying its topography, climate, and magnetic field until its mission ended in 2006. Mars Odyssey. Launched in 2001, this orbiter continues to study the planet's geology, climate, and radiation environment. Spirit and Opportunity rovers. Launched in 2003, these twin rovers landed on opposite sides of Mars. Both operated far beyond their expected lifetimes, providing extensive geological and atmospheric data. Mars Express. Launched by the European Space Agency in 2003, this orbiter studied the Martian atmosphere and mapped its surface. Phoenix Lander. NASA's Phoenix mission landed near the Martian North Pole in 2008, studying water and the potential habitability of the Martian environment. The 2010s Curiosity rover. Launched in 2011, this car-sized rover landed in Gale Crater. It has been exploring Martian geology, climate, and potential habitability, and it's still operational. Maven. Launched in 2013, this orbiter studies the Martian upper atmosphere, ionosphere, and interactions with the solar wind to understand the planet's climate history. ExoMars Trace Gas. Orbiter TGO. Launched in 2016 by the European Space Agency, TGO studies the Martian atmosphere and searches for trace gases indicative of biological or geological activity. InSight. NASA's InSight lander touched down on Mars in 2018 to study the planet's interior, including seismic activity and heat flow. Recent missions, 2020s. Tianwen-1. Launched by China in 2020, Tianwen-1 includes an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. It successfully entered orbit around Mars in 2021 and deployed the rover for surface exploration. Perseverance rover. Launched by NASA in 2020, Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater in February 2021. It aims to study Mars geology, search for signs of past microbial life, and prepare for human exploration by testing technologies like producing oxygen from Mars's atmosphere.